Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing a recipe for a delicious snack. I am making potato nachos. It's almost like regular nachos, but instead of tortilla chips, we'll use some sliced potatoes and the remaining nacho toppings and some melted cheese. You can say it's like nachos meets baked potato. Sounds delicious, right? So let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First I peeled and washed the potatoes and slicing them. I am using Mandolin slicer. You can use food processor or any other tool. Just make sure that you cut the slices evenly. Then I'm taking a baking sheet lined with some foil. Wash the sliced potatoes and then adding it to the tray with some olive oil, salt and black pepper powder. Now mix everything well. You can use garlic powder or onion powder, parsley or any other seasoning as well. Now I am arranging all the slices into a single layer and then we'll put it in the oven, which is already preheated on 425 degrees, and bake it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I'll take them out and flip them again and again bake them for 4 to 5 minutes, or in the end I just open up the broiler so they get nice golden color on top and get a little crispier, but that's totally optional. Now take any oven proof serving dish and take the potatoes out from the oven. Now we will arrange these potato slices at the bottom of this dish, like we usually do with regular tortilla chips. And then comes the meat. Now you can use any kind of meat, whatever your family like. Today I'm using leftover taco meat. I already shared the recipe for chicken nachos, so you can use that as well. Now for nachos, we usually use pepper jack or Colby jack. Today I only had like cheddar and mozzarella, so I'm using that, and layering the potatoes, meat and cheese again, like so. Then I put this in the oven again. My oven is already preheated for 400 degrees now, and we'll put it in the oven until cheese is completely melted, and this will take like around 8 minutes. Then you can top it off with your favorite topping. Today I am using sliced jalapenos, tomatoes, cilantro and some sour cream, serving it with some salsa. This is my family's favorite snack, especially for Elmira. She often asks for this and we love it. Since kids are home these days, these kind of recipes come so handy, and if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.